How to create a paycheck stub. Choose a legitimate method, so use a free online pay stub generator or download a free pay stub template from Hubstaff, Bamboo HR, or Google Sheets or Excel. Enter your business information, provide your company name, address, and employer identification number. This is required for legal pay stubs. Add employee details, input the employee's full name, address, employee ID, and the last four digits of their social security number for privacy. Specify the pay period. Enter the start date and end date of the pay period plus the pay date. Enter earnings information, add the employee's hourly rate or salary, regular hours worked, overtime hours if any, and any bonuses or commissions. Add deductions, include federal/state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, health insurance, and retirement contributions. Most generators auto-calculate these. Review and preview, double check all numbers for accuracy, and preview the pay stub to ensure everything looks correct. Then download and print, so save the pay stub as a PDF and either print it for the employee or email it electronically. Then keep records. A story copy for your business records required by law for payroll documentation. If this helps you, subscribe.